of all, in this great morning, thanks for giving us a great opportunity to talk about a survey about how much the students spend money on fast food. Okay, nowadays, most of the students want to be everything done in a short time. So the same way goes to when it comes to food. Most of the students current days want to take their food fast and continue with their daily life and earn more money. Therefore, nowadays fast food restaurants also provide food with reasonable price. This can make us save more money by having fast food. So, about this project today, we would like to find out a survey how much money students spend every time when they visit for a fast food restaurant. So we have done this survey among our classmates.
Okay, I want to discuss about Villa table. First of all, Villa table have a 4 column, which is fact, idea, training issue, and action. First is fact. From the case study, almost people nowadays want to finish their work fastly. Then they can continue their work and make money when they get their food quickly. In addition, the fast food is more reasonable price and they can save their money. Third is idea. First of all, we using a Google form to make a survey. From a Google form, we can get a bar chart and pie chart to figure out the data. Third is a learning issue. For a learning issue, we can get how much the pupil among our classmates spend to buy their fast food. Second is how often they visit a fast food restaurant. And third, which fast food restaurant is their favorite. Last but not least is action. What we can do is we can do a Google form. From a Google form we can get the data. Second, we can discuss among our group to make a question for a Google form. Last but not least, we can identify a good way to write up a Google form question. From a Google form, we can get a pie chart. First is how much they spend their money to buy a fast food. The pie chart we get is
okay. I'm going to explain to you about class boundaries and class limits in a table. Both of them are important in statistic analyzing table, which is will change all the possible outcome. First is class limit. Class limit is the all possible integer of highest and lowest value in each class. While the class boundaries is the all possible of non-integer of lowest and highest value that can be rounded off to each class.
Now I will explain about the theory. In our project, we will require to find the mean, median, mode, variance, and standard deviation. But what are those? So mean is the average value of a set of observation. Mean for group data can be found by dividing the sum of frequency multiplied with the midpoint summation fx, dividing by the summation of frequency summation f. For median, it is the median value for a set of observation, and mode is the value that occurs most frequently inside our data. For variance, it is the measurement of spread of how far each data is from the mean, and standard deviation is the measure of the amount of dispersion of each data.
Okay, in the next part, I will explain you about how to calculate mean, median, mode, variance and standard deviation.
To calculate the mean, we can use formula sigma fx over sigma f. Sigma fx is 650, sigma f is 50. So we can divide them and we get the answer RM13. The second is median. We can use formula L plus n over 2 minus f over fm multiplied by c. L value is 10.5 plus 50 over 2 minus 14 over 14 multiply or times by 15.5 minus 10.5. The answer we get is 14 ringgit and 43 cents. The third is the mode. We can use formula L plus dB over dB plus dA times by C. The L value is 10.5 plus 8 over 8 plus in bracket minus 8 times by 5. The answer is 10 ringgit and 50 cents. For the variance or S power of 2, we can use formula 1 over sigma f minus 1 times by sigma fx minus sigma fx power of 2 over sigma f. When we get the value in the formula, the value is 1 over 50 minus 1 times by 9950 minus 650 power of 2 over 50, and we get the answer 30.6122. For calculate standard deviation or S, we can use square root of variance. So the variance value is 30.6122. So just get it into the square root and we get the answer 5.5328.
Now I will explain about our discussion. From our survey, we can observe that most of the students spend their money for the fast food is 60 to 20 ringgit every time they visit the fast food restaurant. Second, there are 30 students that visit to fast food restaurants spend their money for around 11 to 15 ringgit. Third, the other students spend their money around 6 to 10 ringgit and 1 to 5 ringgit each time they visit the fast food restaurant. So from the data, we can find the mean, mode, variance and standard variation. Okay, for the mean is 30 ringgit, while the median and mode is 14.43 and 10.5 ringgit. For the variance and standard deviation is 30.61 ringgit and 5.53 ringgit.
Okay, so what we learn is how to find the mode, median, mean, standard deviation and variance from the survey we did earlier. Using the theoretical calculation we learned in classroom.